Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to seek a statement regarding rising insecurity issues in Garissa County. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to Standing Order 44.2c, I rise to request a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the rising insecurity issues in Garissa County. Honorable Speaker, insecurity in Garissa has continued to spiral out of control and has become a cause for worry as it has impacted not only the safety but also the well-being of our citizens. Garissa town in particular has experienced several insecurity incidences in the last 2 weeks, with people being killed, mugged, stabbed, and shops broken into by criminals, some of whom are armed. The continuous escalation of this disturbing trend has negatively impacted the peace and safety of the region, as well as economic activities, education, and health services. Honorable Speaker, the situation is so dire that businesses have been closing as early as 6 p.m., with those located in the outskirts where the incidences have been rampant being the most affected. It is in the primary responsibility of national government, all relevant local authorities and security agencies to join hands and work out a coherent strategy against this menace to restore peace and ensure a secure environment for the residents of Garissa County. Honorable Speaker, given the rising insecurity, which is adversely affecting the safety and well-being of residents, I wish to request a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration, Internal Security, to apprise the House on the following: the specific measures in the ministry is implementing to address this alarming trend, and the measures the government is implementing to ensure effective collaboration between national authorities, county government, and security agencies to enhance community policing, intelligence gathering, and response mechanisms to restore peace and stability in the region. I thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, the issue is very serious, with the same gangs coming to my own house in Garissa County. So I'm really concerned by this issue. Thank you.